Hello friends, today we will see how to create estimate for approval of A&FS. So let's begin. T code is ZPS underscore estimate. After entering the T code ZPS underscore estimate, press enter. Here you will see the two icons are displaying. One is for change and another one is for create. We will discuss about the change icon later in this video. First of all, uh, click on create for proceed. When you click on create, a create screen will display in which you will see three options for preparation of estimate. First is transmission line department, second substation department, and third one is office building renovation upgradation. The first two, that is transmission line department and substation department, is for electrical, and the last one, office building renovation upgradation, is for civil. So any type except a line work, you can select substation department, and for line work you have to select transmission line department. In my case it is concerned to substation department, so I select substation department. In stream ID field you can write as you wish, either name of project or name of substation. I prefer the name of substation, so in scheme ID I had type I will type name of substation. Next field is plant. In this you have to fill your plant number. In my case it is 3000. If you don't know, then you simply click on the search, and then after you can find by pressing Ctrl F and type your plant name and click on continue. Select your plant. Next is process type. There are so many process type defined in SAP for different type of work, like AUMI for augmentation of miscellaneous, seaway construction of way, INCB installation of capacitor bank, and so on. You have to select the appropriate process type for your project. In my case it is construction of way, so I will select process type as B by double clicking on the process type. Next field is field name, project name, sorry. In project name you have to type your name of project in short. Here I had made a Excel sheet for ready reference in which it is material code, quantity, unit, rate, etc. So the name of project I am copying from this sheet and simply paste in project name field. After the filling of all field, you have to click on create for proceed. When you click on proceed, the create screen will be display. Here you have to enter only material code and quantity, and the rate will be automatically filled only for those material which are mentioned in SIR 24. Now I am copying the material code and quantity and paste it in respective field and press enter. Here you see, after pressing the enter, the rate field and amount field is automatically calculated. There is another option by which you can upload your material code and quantity. For that you have to click on download Excel format and name the file. It will be download in your PC. After the entering of all uh, material code and quantity, you can upload your file by like this and click on execute. But I prefer the copy paste process, so that here you can see the field below this line is not editable, so you simply select the last field and press enter, so that the field will be editable. Now we will continue copying and pasting process till all the material code entered. You can also the next one is, in this I have defined a range of material code. It may be either the material code is not correct. Let's see. In quantity 1, press enter. Now it is okay. It seems that I have entered the wrong material code, so I have to correct this one from 139 to 132. Here we can see the rate is filled as I have entered the wrong material code. When I enter the same material code, it will not changed. Here you see the rate is not changed for material code 31 6 times 0 132. I will correct it later. those material which are not mentioned in SIR 23, then the rate, you have to take the rate from latest purchase order. The rate is auto filled only for those material which are mentioned in SIR 24 or any SIR. Maybe this video will be viewed by the viewers in 25, so I am clearing here SIR rate will be displayed in this process. Here the material code was changed but the rate was not changed, so I have to delete the rate and amount and enter the material code once again and press enter. Here you can see the rate will be changed. I am also correcting my Excel sheet. Now click on summation icon for proceed further. Here the in first field it is material code, it is the total sum of the material cost. Second one is the civil work. If you have any civil work, then you have to calculate the civil work amount as per the order number X3 by 2021. I have already civil rate calculated, which is 4.40 lakhs. The amount of 4.4 lakhs is to be entered here in rupees and press enter. Next field is cost of erection and testing and commissioning, which is automatically calculated at the rate of 10% of material cost, and the field is not editable, so leave it as it is. Other is statutory charges. If you field other than 0 or 4, it will display an error, so either you have a statutory charges or not. If you have no any statutory charges, then fill 0. If you have a statutory charges, then fill 4. In statutory charges, there are so many charges which comes under this head, like electrical inspector, forest clearance, railway clearance, etc. Cost of dismantling will be calculated as the dismantled material cost 10%. If you have any dismantling cost, then you have to calculate and enter the amount here. In my case, there is no dismantling cost, so I leave it as 0. Now the total cost of work for A&FS is calculated, and you have to click on save button for saving this estimate. Once you click on save button, a unique number will be generated. Here the unique number is 6444. Now go to the change icon and enter your unique number, that is 6444. and click on change. If you have any changes in it, then select the unique number and click on create new version. If you don't have any changes, then click on display old version for printing purpose. Click on unique number and select on display old version, then click on costing icon, then after click on Excel, select the desired location, enter the file name you want to, and the PDF will be open and you can save it by clicking on save icon. Select the desired file location and enter the file name, then click on save. This is how you can create estimate. Thank you.